Hey guys, Dr. Brian Burnett here, your Tallahassee and North Florida area chiropractor. And I'm here with the man, the myth, the legend, Jonathan Rayleigh. Jonathan's playing the first round of the high school playoffs tomorrow. Jonathan plays for NFC, and you are playing FAMU tomorrow in the first round. Jonathan's been coming to see us for chiropractic care and sports performance care this season. We've been taking good care of him. Lately he's been having a little bit of pain in his right knee, just a little tendonitis. So today, after we get done with his adjustment, we're going to do a little RockFloss to loosen up those soft tissue structures around the knee. Then we use some RockTape to tape him up so he can have his best game yet tomorrow. All right, Jonathan, you ready?
Yes.
Let's go ahead and go face down on the table. Jonathan comes from a family of great athletes. His older brother was a patient of mine and played baseball for the Diamondbacks for a season or two. So a lot of great athletes in Jonathan's family. All right, deep breath in, let it out. Deep breath in, let it out. There we go. That feel all right?
Yeah.
Go ahead and lay on your right side, face me. All right, just relax. There we go. Go ahead and go face up for me. Cross your arms, deep breath in, let it out. All right, lay on your left side. Sit up. All right, Jonathan. Go ahead and have a seat here on the table. And we're gonna use the RockFloss on your knee. All right. All right, it's the right one, right?
Yes.
All right. So I want to tape it really tight. Actually, let me have you lay down. Just a slight bend in the knee. So what this is going to do, it's going to compress all the muscles, all the tendons, ligaments, all the soft tissue structures around the knee. And we're going to do some mobilization, some movement drills to really loosen up all the soft tissue structures to take stress off that knee. And that should help improve flexibility, range of motion, and decrease pain in that knee. So go ahead and sit up. Let me first have you sit there and kind of do some knee extensions. Okay, let me have you do 10 of those, and then stand up and do face the window and do 10 squats. How does that feel?
Good.
Not too tight, is it?
Yeah.
How's that knee feel? Good. Go ahead and lay down on your back. We'll take it off. All right. How's that feel? You notice the difference?
Yeah.
Feels a little bit looser?
Yes.
All right, so next we're going to use some RockTape, some kinesiology tape to tape up Jonathan's knee. And we're going to do a patellar strip right across the patellar tendon, and then 2 straps anchoring the kneecap here. That's going to give Jonathan a lot of support. So thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions at all, feel free to comment below. Please give us a thumbs up if you like the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thanks and have a great day.